AI is evolving at lightning speed. Every week, there's a new tool that can write, design, code, and even think. But despite all the advancements, there are certain roles that AI just can't replicate, and probably never will. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 high-value, future-proof jobs that will always need a human touch, no matter how smart AI gets. Job number 1. The myth of full automation. Yes, automation is real. Repetitive, rule-based jobs are the first to go. But here's the truth. AI doesn't have emotion, intuition, or consciousness. It doesn't truly understand context the way a human does. That's why some roles will always thrive in an AI-powered world. Job number 1. Therapists and mental health professionals. Mental health requires empathy, compassion, and deep emotional connection. While AI chatbots can help with mood tracking or surface-level support, therapy involves complex emotional processing. This is human territory. Job number 2. Teachers and educators. AI can deliver content, sure, but real education is about mentorship, inspiration, and adapting to a student's emotional state. Teachers help shape values and social understanding. That can't be coded. Job number 3. Creatives, writers, artists, performers. AI can generate images and text, but creativity isn't just about output. It's about soul. Human stories, emotions, and cultural nuance create powerful art. Machines can't replicate the why behind our work. Job number 4. Entrepreneurs and visionaries. AI can assist in building businesses, but it doesn't have vision. It won't see a market gap, rally people around an idea, or take risks based on gut instinct. Entrepreneurs are the architects of the future, and that role is safe. Job number 5. Skilled trades, plumbers, electricians, mechanics. Until robots can navigate unpredictable environments with dexterity and problem-solving, skilled trades are irreplaceable. These jobs require physical intelligence and decision-making in real time. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. The key is knowing where to invest your energy. These 5 jobs show us that while technology changes fast, human value still leads. So, what skills are you building to stay future-proof? If this helped shift your perspective, drop a comment below with which job surprised you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI tips every week.